Hey, I'm Xavier, your AI host. This video is only being voiced by AI. All data and research was done by hand. Today we talk about the $20 million secret on your desktop, the hidden cost of intelligence. Right now, companies are spending hundreds of millions of dollars to build brains that can think better than humans. But did you know that the same technology, costing OpenAI or Meta over $100 million to train, can be downloaded to your home PC for exactly $0? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the AI data heist, how hackers are weaponizing these models, and how you can run a $20 million AI on your own hardware without a single subscription. The data hunger. AI doesn't just learn, it consumes. To build a model like GPT-4, researchers fed it nearly everything ever written online, about 300 trillion tokens of human-generated text. We're actually running out of high-quality data. Experts warn that by the end of 2026, AI will have literally read everything useful on the public internet. Every Reddit post, every Kindle book, and potentially even your private emails if they're used to fine-tune corporate models. The $20 million training bill. Why does it cost so much? Training a high-end model isn't just about the code. It's about the electricity and the hardware. In 2023, training a GPT-4 caliber model cost roughly $20 million, and that was considered cheap. Today's frontier models can cost between $25 million and $120 million just for the initial training run. Most of that money goes to massive GPU clusters, thousands of NVIDIA chips running for months at a time. The hacker's new toolkit. This power isn't just for chatbots. Hackers are now using AI to automate the boring parts of cybercrime. Instead of writing one phishing email, they use AI to scan LinkedIn profiles and generate thousands of perfectly personalized, error-free scams in seconds. They're using voice cloning to impersonate CEOs on phone calls and creating polymorphic malware, code that changes its own shape to hide from antivirus software. What used to take a team of experts now takes one person with a fast GPU and an unrestricted AI model. Here's the best part. You don't need a $20 million budget to use this tech. Thanks to the open source community, models like Llama 3 or Mistral, which cost millions to develop, are free to download. Step 1. Download a tool like LM Studio or Llama. Step 2. Search for a model like Llama 3.18b or Gemma. Step 3. Hit download. Everything runs 100% locally on your RAM and GPU. No internet required, no data collection, and no monthly fees. You are literally running a multi-million-dollar piece of software on a consumer-grade PC. The era of big AI owning your data is ending. The power is moving to your desktop. If you want to see a step-by-step setup guide for the best local models, hit that subscribe button. Stay curious and keep your data private. Imagine you're sitting at your computer right now, and you realize that the software you're using to chat, generate images, or summarize documents didn't just appear out of nowhere. It is the result of the most expensive and data-hungry project in human history. We are living through an era where data is the new oil, but that comparison doesn't even do it justice. To build a modern frontier AI, companies are essentially vacuuming up the entire digital footprint of humanity. Every blog post you wrote in 2010, every public Flickr photo, every Wikipedia edit, and millions of hours of YouTube transcripts are being fed into these massive digital maws. We're talking about trillions of words. In fact, we are reaching a point where AI companies are literally running out of human-generated data to harvest. They've scraped the public web so thoroughly that they're now moving into synthetic data, which is basically AI learning from other AI, because they've already consumed everything we've ever said to each other online. The high cost of AI development impacts both personal finances and privacy. Training models like GPT-4 or Gemini can easily exceed $20 million per run, with significant electricity costs. This financial barrier limits access to the wealthiest corporations. This concentration of wealth and power has created a secondary economy. Cybercriminals target these expensive models. Hackers use stolen or leaked AI to enhance their operations. For example, open source models can be jailbroken to create personalized phishing emails quickly, find software vulnerabilities, and clone voices for fraudulent calls. The return on investment for hackers using AI is high because they're utilizing someone else's expensive technology. Despite the high training costs, running these models is different. Open source models, almost as capable as those behind paywalls, are available for free. Companies like Meta or Mistral release their model weights, effectively giving away the results of their investments. These models can be downloaded and run on home computers with a decent gaming PC or a modern laptop with sufficient RAM, using tools like LM Studio, Ollama, or Faraday. This allows users to have a high-level assistant without an internet connection, without sending data to servers, and at no cost. Quantization allows developers to shrink these massive models to fit on consumer hardware without significant loss of performance. While major companies spend millions to train AI, individual users benefit by hosting it. Data collection remains a concern when using free versions of corporate AI, as user interactions are monitored. Local AI on personal computers eliminates this data sharing. This allows access to powerful technology without surveillance. AI is a tool for both hackers and individual users, and the choice is between feeding data giants or running personal intelligence locally. The technology is readily available for download. See you in the next one.